Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the remaining month of October reads start from the 22nd through the 31st of October 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see how the remaining month is going to be for my fishies. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, plus I will be adding messages from your person as well. So stay tuned. And now while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So let's see what is coming up for my fishies for the remaining month time. Let's begin. Wow, it seems like somebody's coming out of their uh, you know uh, that zone where you were feeling left alone, where you were feeling bad about yourself. Feel like you are going to feel very confident in yourself, in your decisions, and you will feel very happy and positive. Now for some of you, I feel like you are ignoring your intuition there. Make sure you don't do that, because maybe for some of you, you are going to start especially when you're feeling good, positive. Make sure you keep the habit of meditating, seeking guidance from heavens as well. Maybe you feel like you don't need that, you don't need to know that now, but in actuality you still do. So make sure that you don't ignore your intuition around anything, be that in love, work, or home life situation. Because for some of you, maybe you are missing out on some information that your intuition has been trying to guide you about. So just be open to that idea as well. And now let's see more cards. Let's see what else can my fishies expect coming up for them in the remaining month time, starting from 22nd through 31st. Let's see. The star. I feel like you are perfectly wherever you are meant to be. Basically, you have nothing. You have nothing to worry about. You haven't lost a chance. You haven't lost any good offer. You haven't missed a thing around any area of your life. You are perfectly where you should be to have the kind of life that you desire. So I feel like for majority of my fishes, you will be feeling very positive, very excited about the life that is coming ahead for you. You will feel like there is a divine guidance all around you, and you are just like ready to embrace whatever that comes your way. So you would feel very aligned basically to whatever you desire. You would feel some changes coming up for you in your life as well. And I feel like the positivity that you have right now is amazing. You will be very hopeful around whatever you desire in your life, love, work, or home life situation. You feel that you are on the right track, and that's exactly what it is. Let's see more cards here. The Knight of Cups. I feel like things have started moving in your love life as well. Especially if you have been dealing with stagnations, and situations where you felt like nothing is going forward, and you were kind of giving up on certain things. Now you feel that okay, fine, things have started moving, and I'm kind of excited to see where it is going to lead. So I feel like you are going to experience some changes, shifts happening for you in your life overall. Let's see more cards here. The Lovers. Wow. I feel like the kind of vibe that you are having right now in the remaining month time. It is basically attracting you a lot of offers coming your way as well. It doesn't have to be a specific someone that you wanted. It can be a new person as well. But yes, I do see people getting attracted towards you. They will feel like approaching you, talking to you, communicating with you. So there is, like, I do see that there might be a new person coming in as well in your life, who's going to be who's going to be interested in you, or to know you at least. Now if that's the case, I feel like the stagnation with a specific someone in your love life will also start moving. The things, if you are struggling with a situation with your person, the one that you love, the one you really want badly, if things were not moving ahead with that person, with this new person coming in your life, things will start moving forward with that specific someone as well. Why? Because your focus would not be on the stagnation. Your focus would be like, okay, fine, new people are getting interested in me. So that too is going to boost your confidence as well. You are going to start feeling love all around you all over again. So that vibe itself is going to push you to feel motivated enough to go for whatever you want to go for. And that vibe that you would be having is going to make you the magnet to all that you desire, because you would feel like okay, fine, when I can attract this person, I can definitely attract anyone out there if I want to. Maybe you never allowed that to happen. Maybe you were kind of, refraining yourself from letting another person approach you. But now maybe you're being out and about, you're feeling confident, and you are feeling good about yourself, and you are letting people talk to you. So maybe for some of you, you have basically opened yourself up to allow new people in your life. And I feel like, people are definitely seeing you, watching you, getting attracted towards you as well. So I do see some offer coming your way as well, which can be a past person's offer, and it can be a new person walking into your life as well. Let's see more cards here. Six of Swords, Eight of Cups, King of Pentacles. I feel like, you believe in the divine timing right now. Whether it's a new person entering in your life, whether it's a past person that you really want to be with, you are going to go with the flow. You are not resisting any change coming your way. You are not resisting anything. You are not pushing away things. You are just believing in the divine timing for whatever you have asked for, you will get it. That's your attitude towards life right now. You want a specific someone, and if this new person approaches you, you are just gonna go with the flow. You're not gonna be like, saying no to that person. You're not gonna be doing anything around it. You will just go with the flow, see where it goes, and you will start seeing the results that you wanted. And I feel like, this is something which you might have done in the past as well. So I do see for majority of you, you have chosen either to move on from a situation that was not moving forward, which is going to make the situation that you left behind gonna move, that is going to make the situation to start moving forward as well. So I feel like, moving on is something that you might have chosen for a majority of you who are going to experience this shift coming up for them in their life when it comes to a love life situation. So I feel like, this is something which you might have chosen back in times as well, and you would have started seeing the change coming with your person, the specific someone that you are dealing with, or overall if you wanted your love life to move forward but you were not letting it move as well. Now is the time when you are going to start seeing some changes, shifts happening for you. And I feel like, it all starts from within. When the moment you start feeling that you are, good for yourself, you're good enough, people like you, people value you, it's all because you are valuing yourself now. You are feeling that way for yourself now. You're feeling confident about yourself now. So that is bringing you the change that you have, that you will be experiencing in this week time as well. Now I feel like, as you do that, as you have this new person, as you have this person who is interested in you, you would not go backward to anyone. You are continuing moving forward. If that person, whoever it is that you have moved on from, if they want you, they will catch up with you. You are not going to go backward. You're not going to go, to old patterns of, dealing with the situation in your love life. Maybe you have always been the one who always, said no to another person. If they ever approached you, you were even not talking to anyone else but with the one that you are in love with. So if that has been the case, and you were so highly, uh, you know, absorbed by, that one person only, I feel like, this energy of you moving on from that specific someone is basically going to help situation get better between you and that specific someone that you have chosen to move on from. So this is again, at times I do mention this. Sometimes having a mini breakup is a must, because it does, cut the ties or cut the cords of the negativity that one, start feeling around a connection. So I feel like, that has happened for you in the recent past, and now you can see the change coming up for you with the same person as well as you are having a new person coming towards you as well. So it will be your call, your decision, whatever you want to choose, and you can go for that. Let's see more cards here. You are definitely shining bright. People are getting attracted towards you for sure. But to be very honest, I feel like, fishies are not going to be ready to put effort or extra effort into any relationship. You would just go with the flow. If somebody wants you, they have to earn you, and that's the attitude that you would be having. Whoever earns you your love, you will give your love and time to that person. Be that the new one, be that the specific someone that you wanted. Let's see one more card. Things are changed. Things are changing. Things have changed for you around your perspective towards love life and yourself as well. I feel like, that has made you the magnet to all that you desire. Only direct, we do have the page of wands. I do see you, many people approaching you. I do see that. But I don't see you taking many offers. You are basically waiting for the right kind. And if somebody offers you that kind of love, you will go ahead with that. Be that a specific someone, be that a new one. So you are no more focused on that specific someone. For majority of you, you have chosen to move on from a situation which was stuck to have the life that you desire in your love life. Let's see messages from your person. Let's see what is it that they want you to know. Where it is. Let's not take message cards. Let's ask the question using the tarot only. What is it that they want you to know? What is it that your person really wants you to know? They really believe that this connection is divinely protected. Now, as you have stop thinking that way, your person is now picking up that vibe. Why? Because you are no more obsessing over it. So they believe that this connection is divinely protected. So it's not gonna end for sure. There you go. They now feel the love for you the way you used to feel for them. So it seems like the roles are reversed now for the two of you in this connection. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys for the remaining month time. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So make sure whoever it is that is going to be your soulmate, maybe it is going to be a new one, maybe it's going to be a past one, but yes, be open to the idea that this person might not be exactly how you are. So accept them the way they are. Don't try to change them. Because it won't last long then. If you really want a connection to work, don't try to change them. Just let them be them. And if you think that you cannot be with a person like that, move on. You will have a better person coming your way who would match your your expectation. But yes, be open to the idea that maybe this person is going to be a different one. So let's see more cards here. It's time to take action. For some of you, again, it's very important for you to just whether you take physical action, whether you take mental action, but yes, it's time for you to take action. Choosing things that you might have not chosen in the recent past is going to be the key to success. The answers you need are coming. So whatever it is that you need to know about your love life, your current situation, the answers that you seek around that is definitely going to come along. If you really wonder at times, will you have a patch-up, or will you have a your person coming towards you, or shall you accept this new person? You will get the answer in the coming days time. So just go with the flow. You will get to know that person. I feel like for majority of you, the past person is also going to be approaching you as you have this new person coming up. Why? Because the block that you had around your love life is going to get removed as you allow new people in. You will not be too focused on that past person, and that's the way to go about it. So yeah, this pretty much is coming up for you for this remaining month time. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye.